Today's video is about driving fails, how to not drive and bad drivers. As usual, there's a bonus video at the end. Fort Wayne, Indiana. Aggressive driver passes car on the right shoulder. Highway 1, Coquitlam, British Columbia, Canada. I was literally standing on the brake pedal to slow down fully loaded truck and trailer. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Sadly, a Friday drive home from work didn't go well for either of us. The driver of the Ford decided to try to pass me in an intersection. He then ended up in the median. Luckily, he didn't end up having an offset head-on.
Can we go? What the fuck? Jesus Christ!
Oh my god!
Fucking Kirk, you're dumb.
Thanks. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Scoot. If I gotta be a dickhead, I'm gonna be a dickhead.
Guy in Brampton crossed me from left at high speed, almost causing me to lose control. and later went on to throw garbage at my car when confronted.
ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵਿਦ ਹੈਲਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਆਖਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਆ ਵਿਦ ਹੈਲਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਰੀਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਓਪਨ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਨਾ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਭੇਜੇ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਜੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਾਤਾ ਉਹ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਲੌਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਵੀ
Current loop video is now locked.
The trailer because everything was going so smoothly, so there was no way in hell that this trailer would be parked at the other end of the parking lot. It was right in front of him. He's like, wow, that's great, let's hook up and go. The reason why he did
I hate people like that.
Why did the cop cross the double yellow line? It's shocking watching cops break the law in Maryland.
I'll just cross the double yellow, bro. I'm reporting that shit.
Toronto, Canada. Toyota Venza crosses 2 lanes at the last second to make highway exit. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. What episode do you remember most? Write in the comments.